Welcome to English Short Stories. Improve your English listening and vocabulary through fun and simple stories. Today, we have a great story, new words, and a quiz. Let's start. Liam walked slowly in the green park on a sunny Saturday afternoon. He enjoyed the fresh air and watched the colorful birds near the lake. He was very relaxed. After some time, he sat on a wooden bench to eat a small snack and drink some water. When he finished, he stood up and walked home to cook dinner. He did not notice that his brown wallet fell from his pocket and stayed on the grass near the bench. 10 minutes later, Emma walked along the same path. She was exercising and enjoying the weather. Suddenly, she saw something brown on the ground near a bench. She picked it up and realized it was a wallet. She looked inside and saw some money, a credit card, and an ID card with a photo of a young man. Emma was a very honest person. She thought, the owner must be worried. She decided to return it immediately. Emma searched around the park for the man in the photo. She asked a few people, "Excuse me, did you see this man?" But nobody knew where he went. Then she looked at the ID card again and noticed an address. It was not far from the park. She decided to walk to the street near Liam's house to find him. At the same time, Liam arrived home. He wanted to buy some bread, but he could not find his wallet. He checked his pockets, his bag, and even under his bed. He felt very worried and sad because the wallet was very important to him. He ran back to the park. He searched near the bench and the lake, but the grass was empty. He thought his wallet was gone forever. Finally, Liam walked back to his house. He saw a woman standing near his door. It was Emma. She asked, "Are you Liam?" and showed him the brown wallet. Liam felt surprised and extremely thankful. He smiled and thanked Emma many times for her kindness. Emma felt very happy because she helped someone in need. It was a good day for everyone. Now let's learn some useful words from the story. Relaxed. It means feeling calm and happy. Honest. A person who tells the truth and does not steal. Immediately, right now, without waiting. Important, something that you need or care about a lot. Kindness, being friendly and helpful to others. Now let's see how much you remember about the story. I will ask you 3 questions. Can you answer them? Question 1. Question number 1. Where did Liam lose his wallet? The answer is, he lost it in the park, near the wooden bench. Question 2. Question number 2. What did Emma find inside the wallet? The answer is, she found some money, a credit card, and an ID card. Question 3. Question number 3. How did Emma find Liam's house? The answer is, she saw the address on Liam's ID card. Great job. How many questions did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next lesson.